जय हिंद एवरीवन, सावधा में आप सबका स्वागत। मेरे साथ है नंदिनी मैम और मंजू मैम। आज हम आपके सामने इसलिए हैं कि आप में से बहुत बच्चे फ्री एसएसबी गाइडेंस के लेके मेरे पास बहुत मैसेजेस आते हैं इंस्टाग्राम, टेलीग्राम और यूट्यूब पे कि सर फ्री में भी हमारी मदद करी जाए। तो इसी के लिए एसएसबी टेलीग्राम ग्रुप, एक मैंने ग्रुप बनाया है टेलीग्राम के ऊपर, जिसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, जहां पर हम फ्री वैट, टैट, एसआरटी प्रैक्टिस करवा रहे हैं। प्रैक्टिस कहने का मतलब है कि हम आपको पिक्चर्स देंगे या फिर वर्ड्स देंगे जिस पर आप जो अपना आंसर लिखोगे उसको एनालाइज करा जाएगा और बताया जाएगा कितना सही है और कितना गलत। और इस पूरी एक्सरसाइज में मेरे टीम मेंबर्स नंदिनी मैम और मंजू मैम मुझे हेल्प करेंगी। वो आगे चलकर अभी बताएंगी भी वो कैसे कैसे ये चीज करी जाएगी। और हफ्ते में जो बेस्ट परफॉर्म करेगा उसका मैं पीआईक्यू या एसडीटी एनालाइज करूंगा और हम रैंडमली लोगों को सेलेक्ट करेंगे जिससे एक बेसिक पैरामीटर सबके लिए सही हो। सो नाउ बोथ ऑफ देम मूविंग ऑन फ्रॉम नंदिनी एंड देन टू मंजू, दे विल बी गिविंग अ ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट देमसेल्फ एंड देन टेल यू व्हाट दे विल बी डूइंग।
Thank you, sir. So this is Nandini, and I welcome you all to the Savda's YouTube channel. And I have been recommended 4 times from different entries, specifically from CDS, OT, and AFCAT. I have been recommended from Bhopal, Guwahati, Dehradun, and I'm Guwahati from 2 times. And talking about the initiative that we have started on this Telegram channel, the name of the Telegram channel is SSB Savda Group, in which every morning at 9 a.m. there's Shivam, our team member. He sends some TAT, one picture, some VATs, and some SRTs, wherein all the students reply to those psych responses. And in the evening, me and Manju here, we reply to them. So we have divided. I take care of the TAT and the SRTs particularly, and Manju ma'am takes care of the VAT. I think this initiative that we have started is for to help those people who are not able to come to us and to the academy, and they have their SSB in just a week or 2 weeks. I think this initiative is going to help them a lot. And handing over the mic to Manju ma'am now.
Hello everyone. So this is Manju Kundu. I have cleared FCAT and CDS multiple times, and I've been recommended 4 times from FCAT as well as CDS entry. I've been recommended from Gandhinagar, Bhopal, Allahabad, etc. So this great initiative has been started by us. As told by Nandini ma'am, I'll be taking over your VAT. I'll be giving responses over the VAT that you would have written. That will help you to improve. That will help you to know what kind of sentence you are making on a word and what are the requirement as far as SSB is concerned. This practice will basically help you in daily approach and will collectively help you in your SSB at the end of the day. As told by Nandini ma'am, there are students who cannot come to us. So this practice is for those students who want to practice it daily and want that they should have an SSB practice along with their written. So I hope that it will be helpful for the students who are studying at their home. So for them, written as well as SSB can go together. So we are very welcoming to this very initiative taken by us. We are very hopeful that every student will give us a lot of responses on this, and we'll be continuing this exercise. And I hope, and our whole team hopes, that it will be helpful for you guys. Thank you so much.